a slap. David buys a new iPod. It's very expensive. While walking in the park, David sees the girl who is dancing. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yells to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's it going?" She keeps dancing and ignores him. He yells, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to a bar with you. You can dance with me." The girl turns and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to a bar, but if you give me your iPod, I'll give you a surprise." David says, "Okay, here are the iPod." The beautiful blonde takes the iPod and then slap David on the cheek. Then she runs away. David can't move. Now he has no iPod and no girl. Okay, thanks for the watching. Bye.